GenPac is one of the leading wholesale stocking distributors in the Northwest, serving the electrical utility, water utility, and contractor market since 1965, has helped GenPac build long-lasting relationships with our customers by providing them with quality products and value-added services. GenPac Drones is the newest GenPac division and is here to serve customers with the latest technology to keep operations running smoother and safer.
Hi everybody, my name's Chad Nelson. I'm the outside sales representative for GenPac Drones. We're here today to show you some new products that we have that can better help your utility in inspections and other procedures. With me here, I have the DJI M300 and Smart Controller. It is our premier enterprise drone. The M300 has a 45-minute flight duration, which is going to help your utility not have to change batteries every 15 minutes. Another added bonus to these batteries is the fact that they can charge in 30 minutes or less depending on the level they have been brought down to. The M300 has an IP45 rating and can fly in 33.5 mile-an-hour winds. What that means for your utility is that it is water resistant, dust resistant, and can perform in heavy winds. From my experience, I've flown the M300 in sleet storms in the Northwest, rainstorms, and a 50-mile-an-hour windstorm, which is beyond its rating, and every time it held solid. The M300 is very easily deployed. First, you put on your legs. When it's in the case, you pull it out, set it down, and from that point forward, you bring your forward arms out first, rear arms out second, and then lock them into place. Some of the various payloads that are available for the M300 include the H20T, a range of spotlights, and mapping sensors as well. The H20T's features include a thermal camera, 640 by 512 radiometric, a 20 megapixel zoom lens, a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and a laser rangefinder that's good for up to 3,500 feet. There are also third-party payloads that are available for the M300, one of them being a drop hook. I'm not sure if you could imagine what you could do with it, but imagine flying across a valley and dropping your mule tape to pull wire. Some of DJI's more affordable enterprise models include the Mavic Zoom, Dual, and Advanced. Just like tools in your tool belt, the right tool for the job also applies to these drones. The most recent of these is the Mavic Advanced. It has a 640 by 512 radiometric lens and an RGB sensor that can do all of your inspections and mapping. Some of the add-on features that's available for the Mavic Enterprise line include your 3-mile beacon, loudspeaker, and spotlight. Also, the Mavic Advance is compatible with an RTK puck. The Evo2 Dual is another drone that we have in our lineup, and it boasts the longest flight time for its size and classification of drone. The sensor featured on the Evo2 Dual is the 640 by 512 radiometric thermal camera and the 8K 48 megapixel RGB camera. There are two versions of the Evo2 Dual. Here we have the American-made model, which is not radiometric. Another option is the Chinese model, which is radiometric. One of the key features of the Autel Evo2 Dual is the fact that it does not have NFZ locking, which means that it can fly in no-fly zones while others can't. A unique software that we provide for our M300 and the other drones in our lineup is Respondercast. It is a live streaming software that allows you to remotely view anything the drone is seeing in real time. Live streaming and incorporating your dispatch into your drone program can improve your reaction times to disaster response and general outages. GenPac Drones 107 course prepares your pilots to safely and legally fly. Our 2-day 107 course covers all the materials needed to pass your 107 test and obtain your remote pilot certificate. Our Part 107 class is a guaranteed pass, and we are proud to share that we have had a 100% success rate thus far. Here at GenPac, we also offer a Pilot Proficiency NIST course. This course allows you to measure and display all of your pilot's capabilities. In turn, this improves the optics of your customers through displaying safe and efficient practices. Our NIST course also serves as a customizable training method for your pilots. Our foldable American-made NIST course is both portable and easily stored. I know we just went over a lot of information, so we're opening up a Q&A session for any questions you may have.